Keeping chickens is a rewarding experience, especially when your hens are laying plenty of delicious, nutritious eggs. There's nothing quite like collecting fresh eggs from your own backyard, knowing exactly what went into producing them. But sometimes our feathered friends need a little help to reach their full laying potential. Factors like age, diet, and environment can all impact egg production, and it's important to address these to keep your hens happy and productive. That's where this natural supplement mix comes in, using the power of avocado, guava, and lime. These ingredients are not only delicious, but packed with essential nutrients that can support your hen's health and egg-laying capabilities. This simple blend can give your layers the boost they need to lay more eggs and stay healthy. Avocado provides healthy fats and vitamins. Guava is rich in vitamin C and fiber, and lime offers a good dose of antioxidants and minerals. This isn't about forcing your hens to lay more than is natural, it's about providing them with the nutrients they need to thrive. A well-nourished hen is a happy hen, and happy hens lay the best eggs. Just like us, chickens benefit from a varied and balanced diet. Including a range of grains, seeds, and fresh produce in their feed can make a big difference in their overall health and egg production. By adding this supplement to their regular feed, you're giving them a concentrated dose of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This can help improve their immune system, feather quality, and overall vitality. Think of it as a vitamin boost for your flock. Just as we take supplements to fill nutritional gaps, this mix ensures your chickens get everything they need to stay in top condition. This mix is easy to prepare and even easier to feed, making it a simple addition to your chicken keeping routine. With just a few steps, you can enhance your hen's diet and support their egg-laying potential. Let's explore the benefits of each ingredient and show you how to make this excellent supplement. Avocado, with its creamy texture, is a favorite among chickens and provides essential fatty acids. Guava, often overlooked, is a powerhouse of nutrients, and lime adds a zesty kick while boosting their immune system. Together, these ingredients create a balanced and nutritious supplement that your hens will love. Avocados are having a moment, and for good reason. This creamy fruit is packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that are beneficial for both humans and chickens. The rich, buttery texture of avocados makes them a favorite in kitchens around the world. But their benefits extend far beyond just human consumption. For our feathered friends, avocados can significantly improve their egg production. When added to their diet, the nutrients in avocados help boost the overall health of chickens, making them more productive layers. The healthy fats in avocados provide energy for hens, which is essential for laying eggs. These fats are a great source of sustained energy, helping hens stay active and healthy throughout the day. These fats also contribute to the production of strong eggshells, preventing cracks and breakages. Strong eggshells are crucial for protecting the developing chick inside and ensuring the egg reaches the kitchen intact. Avocados are rich in vitamins E and B, crucial for overall health and egg production. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage, while B vitamins support energy metabolism and overall vitality. Vitamin E in particular plays a vital role in reproductive health, ensuring your hens lay consistently. A consistent laying pattern is essential for maintaining a steady supply of eggs, which is beneficial for both small-scale and commercial egg producers. Adding avocado to your chicken's diet is a natural way to support their well-being and encourage them to lay more eggs. Not only does it enhance their health, but it also promotes a more sustainable and eco-friendly approach to farming. By incorporating avocados, you are providing a nutrient-dense supplement that can lead to happier, healthier, and more productive chickens. Guava, with its sweet, fragrant flesh, is more than just a tasty treat. This tropical fruit is a powerhouse of vitamins and antioxidants, making it an excellent addition to your layer's diet. Guava is particularly rich in vitamin C, which is crucial for boosting the immune system. A strong immune system means healthier chickens that are less susceptible to diseases, ensuring consistent egg production. Guava is also a good source of vitamins A and B, further contributing to overall health and vitality. The high fiber content in guava aids in digestion, ensuring the chickens efficiently absorb all the nutrients from their food. Including guava in your layer's diet provides them with a natural vitamin boost, keeping them healthy and productive. Don't underestimate the power of a lime. This small citrus fruit packs a punch when it comes to health benefits, especially for chickens. Limes are well known for their high vitamin C content, which, as we've learned, is crucial for a strong immune system. But limes offer more than just vitamin C. They are a good source of calcium, essential for strong bones and, most importantly, strong eggshells. Limes also contain electrolytes, which are crucial for maintaining hydration, especially during warmer months. Adding lime to your chicken's diet helps them stay hydrated, promotes strong bones and eggshells, and boosts their immune system, keeping them healthy and laying consistently. Section 5. Preparing the avocado, guava, and lime mix. This mix is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that can benefit your health in numerous ways. Now that we know the benefits of each ingredient, let's prepare our egg-boosting mix. This combination of avocado, guava, and lime is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. Don't worry, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. You'll be amazed at how simple and quick it is to prepare this nutritious mix. Step 1. Preparing the avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and essential nutrients. Take a ripe avocado and cut it in half. Make sure the avocado is ripe for the best texture and flavor. Remove the seed and scoop out the flesh into a bowl. The flesh should be creamy and easy to scoop. Mash the avocado with a fork until it forms a smooth paste. This will be the base of our mix, providing a creamy texture. Step 2. Preparing the guava. Guavas are packed with vitamin C and fiber. Wash a ripe guava and cut it into quarters. Make sure to wash it thoroughly to remove any dirt or pesticides. You can remove the seeds if you wish, but it's not necessary. The seeds are edible and add a bit of crunch to the mix. Add the guava pieces to the bowl with the mashed avocado. The guava adds a sweet and tangy flavor to the mix. Step 3. Adding the lime. Limes are a great source of vitamin C and add a refreshing zest. Take a fresh lime and cut it in half. The lime juice will enhance the flavors of the avocado and guava. Squeeze the juice of one lime half into the bowl with the avocado and guava. The acidity of the lime juice balances the richness of the avocado. You can add more or less lime juice depending on your preference. Adjust the amount to suit your taste and mix everything well to combine the flavors. And there you have it, a simple, nutritious mix that's ready to enjoy. This combination is perfect as a topping, a side dish, or even on its own. Enjoy your avocado, guava, and lime mix, and feel good knowing you're nourishing your body with wholesome ingredients. Section 6. Feeding your layers the natural way. Now that our avocado, guava, and lime mix is ready, it's time to feed our feathered friends. Mix the prepared supplement thoroughly into your chicken's regular feed. The amount you feed will depend on the number of chickens you have. A good rule of thumb is to provide 1 tablespoon of the mix per chicken per day. You can feed the mix in the morning or evening, whichever is more convenient for you. The most important thing is to be consistent with the feeding schedule. Just like us, chickens thrive on routine. Consistency is crucial when it comes to seeing results. Continue feeding your layers this supplement daily and observe their behavior and egg production. You'll likely notice a difference within a week or 2. Pay attention to their energy levels, the color of their combs and wattles, and of course the number of eggs they are laying. Healthier chickens will have bright red combs and wattles, be more active and lay more eggs. Keep an eye out for any signs of illness such as lethargy, loss of appetite, or changes in droppings. If you notice anything unusual, consult with a veterinarian. With regular feeding of the avocado, guava, and lime mix, you can expect to see a noticeable increase in your hen's egg production. The exact increase will vary depending on factors such as breed, age, and overall health. However, many chicken keepers report a 10 to 20% increase in egg production after introducing this natural supplement. You'll also likely notice that the eggs have stronger shells and richer yolks. Remember, this mix is not a magic potion. It's about providing your chickens with the nutrients they need to thrive and lay to their full potential. Providing your chickens with a balanced diet, including this natural supplement, is not just about increasing egg production. It's about ensuring the health and well-being of your flock. Healthy chickens are happy chickens, and happy chickens lay more eggs. It's a win-win situation for both you and your feathered friends. By taking care of their nutritional needs, you're creating a symbiotic relationship where everyone benefits. So, there you have it, a simple, natural and effective way to boost your layers' egg production using readily available ingredients. Give this avocado, guava and lime mix a try and see the difference it makes in your flock's health and productivity. Remember, happy chickens lay the best eggs, and with this natural boost, you'll be enjoying a plentiful supply of delicious, nutritious eggs in no time. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video for more natural egg production tips.